Ready to dive in? I'm super excited to share some awesome stuff with you. Group of flamingos is called a flamboyance, and boy, do they live up to their name. With their bright pink feathers and synchronized movements, flamingos are one of the most eye-catching and graceful birds on the planet. But did you know that they are also one of the most abundant bird species in the world? In fact, there are over 6 million flamingos alive today, with more than half of them living here in the Americas. Flamingos are found on every continent on Earth except for Antarctica. And although they can be found in both salt and freshwater habitats, they prefer shallow, warm water with plenty of algae and crustaceans to eat. This is why they are often found in places like lakes, lagoons, marshes, and coastal areas. Although flamingos can be found in a variety of colors, including white, black, and gray, the ones that are found here in the Americas are mostly pink. This is because flamingos have the ability to change color based on what they eat. You see, flamingos eat algae and crustaceans that contain carotenoids, which are pigments that give plants and animals their vibrant colors. As a result, flamingos that eat more of these carotenoids have brighter pink feathers. Baby flamingos are born with gray feathers, but they start to turn pink within a few months of being born. Adult flamingos can weigh anywhere from 2 to 5 pounds and measure between 3 and 4 feet in height. Their long legs and necks allow them to wade into shallow water in search of food, while their webbed feet help them to paddle around. Flamingos have special grinding molars in the back of their throats that they use to mash up crustaceans and other small prey. They also have a unique way of filtering out small particles from the water by using their tongues and palates to create a suction effect. Flamingos are highly social animals who live in groups of up to 10,000 individuals. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including whistles, screams, and honks. Flamingos are also very visual creatures and will often display bright pink plumage during courtship rituals. During mating season, male and female flamingos will perform an elaborate high-stepping walk in front of each other to show off their best feathers. The male will also often regurgitate food for the female as a sign of affection and commitment. Now, although flamingos are generally peaceful creatures, they can be very aggressive when it comes to protecting their young. If a predator gets too close to a flamingo nest, the parents will mob it and drive it away. Baby flamingos are born without any downy feathers and are incredibly vulnerable to predators. As a result, adult flamingos will often huddle together in a tight group to protect their young. Now, unfortunately, flamingos are facing a number of threats, including habitat loss, climate change, and poaching. But thanks to conservation efforts, their numbers are slowly rebounding. In the United States alone, there are now more than 1.4 million flamingos, most of them living in Florida and South Carolina. Now, next time you see a group of flamingos, take a moment to appreciate their beauty and grace. Remember that these amazing creatures are a vital part of our planet's biodiversity. Thanks for watching. See you next time.